Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to guide you through how to create and delete Netflix profile. If you'd like to learn how, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open a web browser and sign into your Netflix account. Once you're logged into your Netflix account, go to the top right corner and point to the profile picture. Select Manage Profile from the drop-down and under Manage Profile, click on Add Profile to add a new profile on Netflix. Name your profile into the text box. If it is a kid's profile, tick the box where it says Kid and click on Continue. And as you can see that you have successfully created a profile and added it under the Manage Profile section. Now let me show you how you can delete a Netflix profile. Come to the Manage Profile section and go and click on any profile that you'd like to delete. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see all the information displayed in the profile. Its name, languages, maturity settings, and autoplay controls are displayed on the screen. If you'd like to get rid of a profile by deleting it, at the bottom right, click on the Delete Profile button and confirm your selection by clicking on Delete Profile. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete a profile for your Netflix account. Click on Done, and that is it. That is how you can easily add and delete a profile on Netflix. The profile allows different members of your household to have their own personalized Netflix experience, and you can have up to 5 profiles on a single Netflix account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.